Folks, we got a great unboxing for you today. We're going to be looking at accessories that everybody needs in their life, and that is charging cables for your smartphone. This is from a company called Magtame, and they sent me these magnetic data charging cables. Where's the magnets? Well, we're going to find out. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Okay, let's start with this one right here. This looks to be the Lightning version. So USB-A to Lightning, still a popular choice, even though Apple has gone to and finally embrace USB-C. Let's see how this works. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, and the camera's falling. And here we go. Okay, so it's not very long, but oh, there's the mag. Check this out, folks. I can feel it. So you have your standard cable, you're working, and then when you want to put it away, it just kind of magnetically coils back together. That's pretty cool. Let's try another one. So we'll take this one out. This looks to be USB-C to USB-C. You can see right in the top. So that's the one. Let's take it out. Oh, nice color. And again, USB-C to USB-C. But I love this magnet. So you're just using it. Oh, this is great to put in your traveling pack. If you're on the go, your cable will always coil up. We got one last one. Let's go ahead. Again, the company is called Magtame. And if you like the finer things in life, like nice charging cables, the thing is you don't want to lose these, but if you have a bag and you're taking your cables with you everywhere you go, wow, look at the size of this one. This is a nice one. This is USB-A to USB-C, and look at the size and the magnet. Let me back this camera up. And let's see if it coils right back in perfectly. So not 100% perfect, but you can definitely see the magnet makes it want to go back into that coil position. And if you ever use extension cords, you know that the cord kind of just wants to naturally go by. But the genius in this idea was putting just small magnets and allowing it to work like that. Very, very cool. This is makes for a great gift. You want to show somebody you care and about them, buy them a nice pair of cables. Again, this is from Magtame. They're magnetic charging data cables. I will leave a link in the description for you to purchase. Definitely something perfect as a gift or just for yourself if you like the finer things in life, like a nice charging cable. I'm Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out with the Magtame magnetic charging data cables.